Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to repair corrupted memory card USB drive and external hard disk. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk drive letter command space, /f space, /x space, /r. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click USB Mass Storage Device, click Uninstall. Right-click Universal Serial Bus Controllers, click Scan for hardware changes. Right-click USB Mass Storage Device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list space, volume. Select your device volume, in my case disk volume is 6. Type select space, volume space, 6. Type clean. Type create space, partition space, primary. Type active. Type format space, fs = FAT32 space, quick. Type exit. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.